This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. When you make a new claim for universal credit, you will receive your first payment about 5 weeks after you submit your claim. To work out the amount of universal credit you are entitled to, your personal circumstances are reviewed in the assessment period of 1 month. Around a week after the assessment period, your first payment will be issued. You will receive one payment each month in the bank account that you have provided in your claim. From 27th of January 2021, if you are receiving Severe Disability Premium or SDP and you have a change in your circumstances, you may move on to Universal Credit. If you still qualify for SDP, you will be eligible for transitional payments to make sure that you don't lose money when you move. This is known as transitional protection. You must report any changes in your circumstances to make sure that you are getting the right payments. If waiting for your first universal credit payment will put you in financial difficulties, there is support available. Contact your work coach if you need more information on any of the following: the budgeting support or money advice, an advance payment, which is a payment that you can claim using your online account, or a discretionary support payment. If you would like independent help and advice, you can visit any independent advice office or contact any of the following: the Welfare Reform Helpline on 0800 915 4604, or Housing Rights on 028 9024 5640, or Debt Advice on 0800 028 1881. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 88 48 8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.